You arrive at a job, unload your tools, protect the floor, and then realize the one fastener you need is still at the shop. Now you're losing time, the customer is waiting, and a simple repair is starting to feel unprofessional. ChatGPT cannot inspect the job or replace your experience, but it can turn a confirmed scope into a checklist that helps you catch missing questions before you leave. In this video, I'll show you the exact prompt and to build a complete job day plan for a fictional interior door repair. The important word is checklist. We are not asking AI how to perform work beyond our training, what local code requires, or whether a hidden condition is safe. We are asking it to organize facts, expose unknowns, and remind us of ordinary preparation steps. You remain responsible for the inspection, approved scope, product instructions, safety, permits, licensing, and final decisions. If the project involves electrical, gas, structural, roofing, hazardous materials, or another regulated trade, stop and verify the proper requirements and qualifications. Our fictional customer has an interior bedroom door that rubs near the top corner and does not latch consistently. An in-person inspection found no visible water damage. The hinges and frame are accessible. The customer approved an adjustment attempt using the existing door and hardware, followed by testing and cleanup. Replacement of the door, frame, hinges, latch, or trim is not approved. We also know the home has finished hardwood flooring, so floor protection belongs in the plan. Notice how specific that is. A useful checklist begins with confirmed facts, not guesses copied from a customer's first message. If you have photos, describe only what they clearly show. Do not let AI diagnose damage from an image or turn an unclear photo into a fact. A quick pre-job note can use 3 headings: confirmed, needs verification, and not included. That structure gives ChatGPT clean boundaries before it creates anything. Here is the prompt. Act as an administrative assistant for my handyman business. Using only the confirmed project facts below, create a practical job checklist with these sections: questions to confirm before arrival, tools to consider, materials and replacement parts to verify, site protection steps, proposed work sequence, quality checks, cleanup, customer walkthrough, and photos or records to keep. Clearly label anything that depends on inspection or manufacturer instructions. Do not invent measurements, materials, prices, repair methods, permits, code requirements, or promises. Do not expand the approved scope. Flag any safety, license, trade, or permit-sensitive issue that requires separate verification, project facts, and then paste the facts you confirmed. Read the questions first. Even after an inspection, the checklist might remind you to confirm the appointment window, parking and access, whether someone will be home, which entrance to use, and whether pets need to be secured. For the door, verify that the customer still approves the same limited scope and that no new damage has appeared. Delete irrelevant questions and add anything your own process requires. The goal is not to send the customer a giant AI questionnaire. It is to catch the 2 or 3 details that could disrupt the visit. Put those questions into one short confirmation message and review every detail before sending it. A clear message the day before the visit can prevent a locked gate, an unavailable room, or an appointment where the decision maker is not present. Next, review tools and materials. AI may suggest categories such as measuring and marking tools, hand tools, approved adjustment tools, floor protection, a vacuum, and cleanup supplies. Treat every suggestion as something to consider, not an instruction to bring or use it. For replacement parts, the answer should say verify compatibility instead of naming a random hinge, screw, or latch. Check the actual hardware, manufacturer guidance, finish, dimensions, availability, and approved scope yourself. Then remove everything you do not need. A shorter verified loadout is more useful than a long generic list. The work sequence should stay at the planning level. For this example, confirm the scope on arrival, document the existing condition, protect the work area, inspect the accessible door and hardware again, perform only the approved adjustment, test operation, clean the area, and walk the result with the customer. It should not invent technical steps or pretend it knows what the inspection will reveal. If conditions change, pause. Document the new information. Explain it to the customer. And update the scope before doing additional work. That one habit prevents a checklist from quietly becoming scope creep. Many checklists stop when the tool work stops. A better one includes the finish. Quality checks might include verifying that the door operates through its normal range, the latch behaves as expected, accessible hardware is secure, and no new damage is visible. Then remove protection, collect debris, vacuum the immediate area, account for tools, and restore anything moved with permission. During the walkthrough, show the customer what was completed, identify anything that was not included, answer questions, and record acceptance according to your normal business process. Do not let AI invent a warranty or promise a result you did not approve. After the job, improve the template. Ask ChatGPT which items were specific to this project and which could become a reusable checklist for similar jobs. Save only the general process. Keep customer names, addresses, access details, payment information, and private notes out of the reusable version. Over time, you can build separate templates for occupied home preparation, rental turnovers, punch list visits, exterior work, and customer handoffs. Your experience improves the template. The template does not replace your experience. The complete prompt is in the description. Try it with one small, clearly defined job, and compare the result with your current preparation process. What item do you most often have to turn around for? A tool, a material, paperwork, or missing customer information? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to AI Work Crew for practical AI systems built for working service businesses. In the next video, we'll build a simple follow-up system that helps more estimates turn into scheduled jobs without annoying the customer.